Okay, so now we are going to discuss our next topic, that is fruit. Okay, so what is fruit? अगर fruit के definition की हम बात कर लें तो fruit is the matured ovary or ovaries, mature ovary or ovaries with or without seeds together with any accessory structure closely associated with them. ठीक, समझेंगे बात हम क्या करें. The study of fruit, that is called pomology. That is called pomology. What I told about the fruit. Fruit क्या रहा बड़ा? This is the mature ovary or ovaries. This is mature ovary. मतलब fruit form after fertilization, without fertilization also. We will discuss about the parthenocarpic fruit. So what I told, fruit is the mature ovary or ovaries with or without their accessory parts. With or without their accessory parts, as in cases of composite fruits, aggregate fruits, we will discuss all that things. Okay, see जनरल सी बात हुई हमारी. एंड व्हाट आई टोल्ड बड़ा, द स्टडी ऑफ फ्रूट, दिस इज कॉल्ड पोमोलॉजी. इन सब की बात करने में, ठीक है, अच्छी बात है. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट्स की अगर मैं बात करूं तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डेवलपमेंट फ्रूट कैन बी ऑफ फॉलोइंग टाइप्स. दे कैन बी ट्रू फ्रूट्स, इट कैन बी फॉल्स फ्रूट्स और पार्थिनोकार्पिक फ्रूट्स. ट्रू फ्रूट्स, फॉल्स फ्रूट्स और पार्थिनोकार्पिक फ्रूट्स, इनकी बात कर रहे हैं. सो वन बाय वन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट दिस. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट true fruits. What is true fruits? देखिए, अगर true fruits, it's generally as we are discussing, true fruits के लिए the fruit which are developed only from the ovary and in which no other floral parts take part in its development. Getting or not? What I told you? The true fruit means to say what? The fruit which develop only from ovary. The fruit which develop only from ovary and no other parts involved in its development. That is true fruits, is it? While in case of false fruit, the fruit in which, in addition to ovary, other floral parts also contributes for its development. In addition of ovary, some other parts also involved in its development. That is called false fruits, as in cases of aggregate fruits वगैरह में ले लेंगे हम. Is it or not? So two things अभी clear हुई आपकी. One is true fruits, the fruits which develop only from ovary, no other floral parts involved in it. Okay, while in cases of false fruits, what I told you, when other than ovary also, think in addition of ovary, some other floral parts also involved in its development, that is false fruits. Like that, one term I used a parthenocarpic fruit. What I told, parthenocarpic fruit. Parthenocarpic fruit क्या रहा आपके? Parthenocarpic fruit means to say those fruits which develops without fertilization. Actually आपको बोलना चाहिए seedless fruits. Seedless fruits develop without fertilizations. They are parthenocarpic fruits. Getting it out? So true fruits, false fruits, and parthenocarpic fruits. Clear? Once again, discussing another. We are discussing another criteria for the fruits. Fruits can be divided into following parts, just like simple fruits, aggregate fruits and composite fruits or multiple fruits. Clear ना जी? आपके simple fruits, aggregate fruits and multiple fruits, इनकी बात कर रहे हैं. First of all, I am talking about simple fruits. देखिए, हम fruits की बात करेंगे, खाने पीने की बात है, खाते पीते रहिए बढ़िया. ठीक, simple fruits क्या होगा? बड़ा simple fruits, those fruits which develop from monocarpellary or multicarpellary but syncarpous ovary. Those fruits which develop from monocarpellary or multicarpellary but syncarpous. So those fruits which develop from monocarpellary or multicarpellary but syncarpous ovary, they are simple fruits. इस simple fruits से इस तरह के fruits को अगर आपको पहचानना हो, देखिए, such types of fruits having a common pericarp, a smooth pericarp you can see. बाहर से जो fruit का छिलका है, that will be a common smooth pericarp you will get. एक ही, चाहे वो मैंगो या टोमेटो या व्हाटएवर, ऊपर से एक ही कवरिंग दिखेगी आपको, चाहे वो ऑरेंज हो व्हाटएवर, तो एक कवरिंग होगा, दैट इज सिनकार्पस. ओके, सिंपल फ्रूट्स है. व्हाइल इन केस ऑफ एग्रीगेट फ्रूट्स डेवलप फ्रॉम द मल्टीकार्पलरी एपोकार्पस ओवरी. एग्रीगेट फ्रूट्स डेवलप फ्रॉम मल्टीकार्पलरी एंड एपोकार्पस फ्री ओवरी है, तो मल्टीकार्पलरी एपोकार्पस ओवरी. Getting on energy, a single part of fruit is called fruitlet. In case of aggregate, bunch of, aggregation मतलब bunch of, group. So aggregate fruits develop from multicarpellary apocarpous ovary, and each one is called fruitlet. A single part of fruit is called fruitlet. In case simple fruits, they develop from monocarpellary or multicarpellary but syncarpous or a apocarpous. Done or not, Ji? Next thing is there, that is called the composite fruits. Composite fruits develop from entire inflorescence with its flowers and peduncles also. Baat clear? So composite fruits are आपके composite fruits, those fruits which develop from inflorescence, which develop from entire inflorescence with its flowers and peduncle etc. Getting? They are composite fruits. Clear or not, जी? बिल्कुल definitions वाली और बिल्कुल simple topic है. ठीक है? As I told you, every year from the morphology topics you will get near about 6-7 questions you will get from this topic. Nearly minimum 6 questions you will get from here. बड़ा है लेकिन easy है. ठीक है? Now first of all we are talking about simple fruits. In this simple fruits के हम types की बात करें तो simple fruits can be of fine types. They can be dry fruits or succulent fruits. Dry fruits, as the name clear, dry fruits means to say those fruits in which their pericarp, जो outer जो fruit wall है, those fruits which having dry pericarp, dry है. That is मतलब no differentiation between epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. There is no differentiation between epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. While in case of succulent fruits, you can differentiate this pericarp into epicarp, mesocarp and endocarp. So dry fruits and succulent fruits. Dry fruits and succulent fruits. उसकी types की बात कर रहे हैं. Dry fruits can be of dehiscent dry fruits. यानी आपके dry fruits है. अब dehiscent dry fruits मतलब those fruit which can dehiscent, which can split, which can open, they are called dehiscent dry fruits. And they can be indehiscent also. Indehiscent dry fruits means to say what? Indehiscent dry fruits means to say those fruits which are not opening, which are not split. But clear? Those fruits which are not open, which are not split after their maturation also, they are called indehiscent fruit. So dehiscent fruits and indehiscent fruits. इसमें एक last one होता है that is called schizocarpic fruits. Schizocarpic dry fruits. I will tell you the definition of this also later on. अभी भी इसके कुछ सुनने हैं. Schizocarpic dry fruits. Schizocarpic dry fruits means to say what? Those fruits which dehiscent in dehiscent part. हाँ समझेंगे इसको समझाऊंगा मैं बाद में. Those fruit which dehiscent in dehiscent part, they are called schizocarpic fruits. They are called schizocarpic fruit. One by one we are going to discuss about all these. ठीक. सबसे पहले बात हो रही है हमारी the simple dry fruits. As I told you, what is the simple dry fruits? So simple dry fruits are with dry membranous, leathery or woody pericarp. Okay? Simple dry fruits are किस तरह के हैं वो? Simple dry fruits are with dry membranous, leathery or woody pericarp. The dry fruits on the basis of dehiscence are again divided into three groups as I told you. Okay? Dehiscent, indehiscent and schizocarpic. Dehiscent, indehiscent and schizocarpic fruits. इन सब की बात कर रहे हैं. Dehiscent fruits की हमने बात की है, indehiscent fruits की बात की है और schizocarpic fruits की बात की है. Dehiscent fruits अगर आप देखें पहली बात हो रही है dehiscent fruits. Dehiscent fruits क्या रहा आपका? The fruits in which pericarp rupture automatically on ripening and discharge their seeds dehiscent. और जो खुले ना indehiscent fruits. In case of indehiscent fruits की बात क्या होगी? So in case of indehiscent fruits, the fruits that do not burst or split or open at maturity. Clear ना? These fruits are single seeded. Is single seeded. These fruits are single seeded as in case of achenes, caryopsis, cypsela, nut and centera. बात क्लियर? तो इनमें ये कैसा हो रहा आपके? They are indehiscent fruits. ध्यान रखेंगे examples वाली. Schizocarpic fruits already I told you. Okay, those fruits which dehiscent in indehiscent part. As I told you, these fruits are kept between the dehiscent and indehiscent fruits. Dehiscent and indehiscent fruits, because after ripening the fruit fall down and breaks off यानी कि वो dehiscent into some indehiscent bits, dehiscent into some इनडेhiscent फ्रूट्स, इसको ध्यान रखेंगे, कॉल्ड मेरिकार, dehiscent into indehiscent bits, that is called मेरिकार. So dehiscent, indehiscent and schizocarpic fruit. चलिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इनके डिस्कस बात कर लेते हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ dehiscent ड्राई फ्रूट्स. टाइप्स ऑफ dehiscent ड्राई फ्रूट. टाइप ऑफ dehiscent ड्राई फ्रूट्स में व्हाट वी हैव टू स्टडी वन बाय वन, वी विल डिस्कस एवरीथिंग. सिर्फ नेम पहले बात हो रही है. जस्ट लाइक ड्राई dehiscent में ये बात होगी आपकी पॉड. किसकी बात होगी? पॉड और लेग्यूम, एज इन केस ऑफ पी, ग्राम, बीन. Another is their follicles. In case of calotropis, you know, calotropis poracera, madar, akauwa, there are so many names. In case of siliqua we will discuss. In case of mustard, brassicaceae family, mustard family, composite family, है ना, सॉरी composite नहीं, cruciferous family. तो siliqua है, यानी brassicaceae family, or in cruciferous family, there you will see siliqua. Like the silicola, in the same family, Candytuft, we will see silicola condition. Okay, capsule mostly in cases of Malvaceae family, and in case of opium है, cotton है, lily है, there we will see with a capsule. तो उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. कैप्सूल की मैंने क्या कहा? ओपियम, कॉटन एंड लिनसीड. क्योंकि लिली जो है वो तो आपका अनदर फैमिली हो जाएगी. तो कैप्सूल है ओपियम, कॉटन, लिनसीड, देयर वी कैन. ओके, लाइक वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द Pyxis. तो Pyxis, another types of inflorescence is there, Pyxis. ठीक, इसी को बोलते हैं circumcival capsule, यानी थोड़ा सा फटने वाला. Circumcival capsule, as in case of Celosia cristata, like that. Okay, इनकी बात करेंगे. Done on जी, one by one we can discuss all. आ जाइए एक एक करके. ठीक है, आप डायग्राम वाइज देख सकते हैं. All the diagrams are here. Okay ना जी. डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट्स की हमने बात की है. तो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ फ्रूट डायग्राम्स आर हियर. यू कैन सी आपके वन बाय वन, और लोअर साइड में यू कैन सी ऑल डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ आपके कैप्सूल्स आर देयर, एंड डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ऊपर फॉलिकल्स, लेग्यूम, सिलिकोला, लोमेंटम. ओके, लोअर साइड में यू कैन सी देयर पॉपी. दीज आर द कैप्सूल्स. ठीक, तो पोरोसाइडल कैप्सूल्स है, आपके जो गए, another capsule is there, loculicidal capsule is there, valvate capsule is there, septicidal capsule is there. But clear? So different types of capsule you can see in the diagram. Clearly you can getting or not. Up to here it's okay. Now we are discussing one by one all the dry dehiscent fruits. ठीक है? First of all we are talking about legume or pod. किसकी बात हो रही है? Legume and pod. Beautiful diagram is there. ठीक, तो लेग्यूम और पॉड की बात हो रही है. मटर है, खा सकते हैं. ठीक, तो लेग्यूम एंड पॉड, व्हाट इज दैट? तो लेग्यूम और पॉड इज अ ड्राई मोनोकार्पलरी फ्रूट डेवलपिंग फ्रॉम अ सुपीरियर वन चैम्बर ओवरी एंड dehiscing by both the suture. बेटा टू ओपनिंग्स हैं. मटर आपने खाई है, यहां से भी ओपन हो सकती है और यहां से भी. So it can open from the both suture. Getting on, as in cases of pea, bean, pulse. So pea, bean, pulses, you can see legume or pod. What I call in case of legume or pod? The legume or pod is a dry monocarpellary fruit developing from superior bun chamber ovary and dehiscing by both the suture, as in case of pea, bean and pulses. That is legume or pod. Clear or not? One by one you can see. Like that, another is there. Another fruit is there that is called follicle. किसकी बात हो रही है? Follicle. Okay. तो follicle को समझे आप? Follicle हमने बात किया जिनके सौ calotropis. Diagram you can see there. Beautiful diagrams and definitions, everything I am noting there. So in cases of follicle, what is follicle? Follicle is a dry dehiscent fruit developing from monocarpellary superior ovary. Developing from monocarpellary superior bun chamber fruit, but it dehiscence by bun suture only. तो देखो follicle also just like a legume or pod. ठीक, बिल्कुल सेम कंडीशन है. ड्राई dehiscent fruit developing from monocarpellary superior ovary bun chamber, but it is dehiscing from the bun suture only. Pod dehiscing from both the suture. ठीक, there is no need to give a high attention for these definitions. They will ask in the exams name, follicle, their example.